Kung OFW ka na naghahanap ng retirement home dito sa Pilipinas, Crescela Estates New Valley is your best option. Hi everyone, this is the Visionary Estates and I am Arvin Medina, your property investment specialist in New Valley. So ngayon guys, samahan nyo akong ipakita sa inyo ang mga model houses namin na ino-offer dito kay Crescela. The first one is Erin. It comes with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and then meron na rin siyang 2 carport. And then the most bigger is Solea unit. It comes with 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and meron na rin siyang 2 carport. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako. Welcome to New Valley, one of the most successful master plan estates in the Philippines. New Valley spans over 2,400 hectares and strategically connects the cities of Cabuyao, Calamba, and Santa Rosa. This massive development is designed to become a complete and future-ready city where people can live, work, and grow for generations. It's developed by Ayala Land. New Valley is the biggest estate that truly offers a balance of nature-centered living and modern convenience. Dito, makikita mo ang wide green open spaces, parks, and tree-line roads. Habang just minutes away ka lang from major malls, offices, schools, and commercial centers. It's the kind of place where you can enjoy peace and progress at the same time. When it comes to property investment, New Valley stands on a different level. This is a master plan estates, meaning everything is already planned and continuously developing. Hindi ka manghuhula kung anong magiging paligid ng property mo. As an investor, ang gagawin mo na lang ay hintayin ang completion ng developments habang tumataas ang value ng iyong investment over time. Now, let me introduce to you one of the newest and most exciting opportunities inside New Valley South. Crescela Estates is located at the heart of New Valley, offering a pre-selling house and lot development designed for long-term living and smart investing. What makes Crescela Estates unique? It's elevated living, giving homeowners breathtaking panoramic views from Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Ridge, the Makati skyline hanggang sa Laguna de Bay. This is a place where you can experience nature and city views in one address. Living here means enjoying fresh air, open spaces, and the calming presence of nature every single day, while staying connected to the key destinations. That's why many Filipinos abroad are already investing in New Valley. Kahit nasa USA, Canada, Dubai, or Australia, maraming overseas Pilipino ang pinipiling mag-invest dito. They see New Valley as secure, well-planned, and highly potential investment for their future and future families back home. Whether you are planning to live here or invest while working abroad, New Valley offers confidence, growth, and long-term value. This is more than just buying a property. This is about investing in a master plan future. Welcome to New Valley. Welcome to Crescela Estates. So ngayon, una natin papasukin is yung Erin unit with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and the lot area is minimum of 162 square meter and the floor area is 98 square meter. So tara guys, pasukin natin. So kung mapapansin nyo dito kay Crescela, meron na siyang gutter, then planting strip, then walk path after your property line. Then dito sa side na to, meron na siyang 2 carport na fit yung dalawang sasakyan kahit sedan man yan or SUV. So tara, pasok tayo. So pagbukas natin ng pinto, ito na agad yung makikita natin. And this side, makikita naman natin is yung living area. Ito perfect to for starting families na growing pa lang, then mga nasa 5 sila sa family nila. So this is your living area. And then kung mapapansin nyo, meron na rin siyang glass dito to invite natural light. And then this is your dining area in a ring unit. This dining area, design siya for 6 sila sa family. So, even 5 or 6 kayo sa family, fit pa rin kayo dito. And this is your storage room dito sa Erin unit. Pwede nyo dyan ilagay yung mga stuffs nyo na hindi na ginagamit. And this side, this is your kitchen area dito sa Erin unit. By the way, this is, etong design na to is dress-up unit. Kumbaga dito, bibigyan kayo ng mga idea kung paano nyo i-design yung bahay nyo pag na-turn over na sa inyo yung property. So this side is your pantry area. And dito naman is your other access to your garage or carport papunta sa kitchen nyo. Napaka-convenience kung galing kayo sa market, di na nyo na kailangan dumaan sa main door nyo. So dito naman sa ground floor, meron na tayong common toilet and bath. Hindi na natin kailangan tumaas pa. So ngayon, doon naman tayo sa next level. So kung mapapansin nyo dito sa Erin unit, ang hagdan niya is super wide, pwedeng magkasalubong. So yun. Then mataas na rin siya, high ceiling na rin siya. So pagtaas natin dito, makikita agad natin yung spacious niya na flex area. Pwede kayo ditong maglagay ng... Pwede kayo dito magtrabaho. Pwede nyo rin siya i-convert as your second living area para kahit paano may TV dito, then living area dito. Then this side is your bedroom 1 dito sa second floor. Perfect to para sa mga kids natin. And this side, kung mapapansin nyo, meron na rin siyang mga windows na kasama na yan sa deliverable natin dito. To invite natural light eh. And this side is your common toilet and bath dito sa second level. Dito naman is your bedroom 2. This design is for your kids na girls or pwede nyo rin siyang i-convert sa mga boys na kids. So, yun. And this one, the perfect place for the master's bedroom. Spacious na rin siya, then, yun. Meron na rin siyang balcony dito sa gilid niya na accessible para sa master's bedroom. So, ngayon, tara. Silipin natin itong balcony. So, sa balcony natin, yan. Pwede na rin kayo maglagay dito ng mini chair pag gusto natin mag-coffee sa morning. With view of Mount Makiling or Tagaytay Ridge or Makati Skyline. So let's talk about digits naman kung magkano si Erin. It starts at 14 million to 15 million. So ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng sample computation. The total contract price is 14 million and 38,706 pesos. And then for reservation or for securing the unit is 80,000. So on air report, 20 days ng reservation nyo, dapat makapag-comply po tayo ng 10% spot down payment, which is 1.3 million. Then 10% stretch it in 42 months, which is magiging monthly nyo is 33,425 pesos. And then the 80% na remaining is for bank financing. Magiging bank financing nyo is 11,230,000 pesos. So ngayon, meron tayong discounted price na 10%, kaya naging 14 million na lang ang total contract price niya. So nakaless tayo ng 1.3. Pero, ito may expiration. This is January, as of January. Ito yung, natin, discounts natin. So ngayon, pasukin naman natin kung anong meron dun sa pinaka-bigger na in-offer dito kay Cristela, which is Solea unit with 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. So guys, tara, samahan nyo ako. Hello guys, this is Solea unit with 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and the minimum lot area is 182 square meter and the floor area is 114 square meter. So, perfect to kung gusto nyo ng mas spacious and then mas bigger kayo sa family. So, tara guys, samahan nyo ako. Then, kung mapapansin nyo, meron rin siyang 2 carport. Nakasya yung SUV or sedan. Then, this side is meron na siyang garden. So, tara guys. So, pag bukas nyo ng pinto, this is your foyer. And this sa kaliwa naman natin is yung living area. Perfect to para sa mga bonding nyo ng families nyo. For memories. Yan. So, this is your dining area. Designed for 6 rin sa families. Then, meron na rin siyang storage room. So, by the way, this is a modern contemporary homes design for natural lights. Kung mapapansin nyo, maraming mga window na glass. So, this is your kitchen area. And this is your bedroom 1 or convert it your office area. Meron na rin siyang access to your carport. It's very convenient and helpful na rin pag galing tayo sa market. This is your common toilet and bath in ground floor. So ngayon, akit naman tayo sa second level para makita natin yung 3 bedrooms natin dito. So kung mapapansin nyo, mataas na yung ceiling niya. Kayo na lang po bahala mag-design kung paano nyo siya magpapaganda. So pagtaas natin dito is makikita agad natin is yung flex area niya. Pwede nyo rin siya i-convert at your living room dito sa taas. Dito naman is yung bedroom 1. And this side is your bedroom 2. Dito sa second level. This design for mga kids natin. Pwede rin natin ito sa mga adult. Dito naman is yung common toilet and bath dito sa second level. And this one is your master's bedroom. So dito sa kaliwa natin, meron tayong toilet and bath para sa master's bedroom. Para hindi na natin kailangan lumabas pa. So, this is your bedroom. Kung mapapansin nyo, mas spacious siya. Then, ayun. Yung design dito is dress-up unit para lang may idea kayo. So, this is your balcony sa master's bedroom. So ano nga bang advantage nito ni Crisela at ano ba yung mga magaganda niyang benefit dito? Meron na rin siyang amenities like pools, clubhouse, theater area, basketball court. At the same time, siya yung pinaka-maliit na community namin sa estates category dito sa Nuvali. Meron tayong mga existing na estates which is mga 30 hectares or 20 hectares pero si Crisela is 13.5 hectares lang. So maliit siya, mas maliit ang community. At the same time, mas konti kayong magkakapit-bahay. So, mabilis kayong makikilala ng mga guards. And then, yun, mas premium siya. So, if you prefer naman ng lot only, meron kami ditong ino-offer. Starts at 161 square meter up to 240 square meters. Kung gusto natin mag-design ng sariling bahay natin, ang perfect sa inyo is yung lot only options. It starts at 48,000 per square meter up to 55,000 per square meter. So for more inquiries or site visit, message nyo lang ako sa Viber ko at sa WhatsApp at 0945-887-7538. Follow nyo po ako sa mga social media accounts ko at The Visionary Estates. So once again, this is The Visionary Estates and I am Arvin Medina, your property investment specialist in Nuvali.